guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a food haul just like I said in my previous videos. But some of them already came on package, which was really upsetting, but I won't tell the name of the shop because of some privacy. And I already opened some because I was just too excited and I forgot about the video. So let's get started. So first up, I have two Pokemon Poppets. First up, I have Charizard. This is the bad side. And this is the good side. To be honest, I love both of the sides because they're really fun. And also, Charizard is on a it's on a sticker. It's not like printed on there. Imagine if it was printed. But I think they put a lot of effort into making this, so yeah. Then I have Pikachu. This is the bad side. This is the good side. I love the good side. I also love the bad side. The good side actually has a really tough texture, but I still really love it. Okay, let's get on with the second one. Alright, so these are the second one. And this one I haven't opened yet, but just in case you guys want to see it. So it looks like it's a butterfly poppet, and it changes color in the sun. But I will do it in the sun, under the sun in our next video. So yeah, stay tuned to my next video if you guys want to see that. I really like the details on this. So first of all, I don't think it catches this on camera, but actually in real life they have this like butterfly shape. Okay, yeah, I think it catches on camera. Can you guys see those like butterfly shapes on these bubbles? So yeah. And it also has these like antenna, which I think is a really great detail. Okay, I'm gonna have an ordinary hexagon one. I haven't opened this one yet. I'm not gonna open it now. But maybe in the next video when I'm going to be seeing them color change. So yeah. Make sure you guys just to see that and turn your guys' notification off so you guys will know when the video is out. And then I have these two stress balls. These are so fun to play with. I really like these clear things. They kind of look like diamonds, Orbeez. These ones used to be on the net, but I haven't seen the ones on the net in a long time, but I still know they exist, of course. I used to have them, but now I don't. I lost them. And then now I have these two rainbow poppets. I love them so much. They're very pretty, and I really love the color on it. I really like the stem and stuff. I really love the color, and it also has this very nice detail on it. Has the seed on it. This is the bad side. This is the good side. The good side is very nice. So then I have a cupcake poppet. The bad side is okay, yes. But I would say the good side is my favorite. And this one, just because of the pattern. I'm not saying I don't like the pattern. It's a really cool detail, because if you guys want to see, you guys can probably see that really nice detail on there. Cupcake, yeah. Okay, so on to next item. I bought these needles, and I have two of them. They're the exact same thing, and they're so big, and I really love the texture of this. It's so soft. I love it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this thing. It's so pretty too. Just look at that. Look at that. They're not sticky though. Oh my god. Okay, on to our last item. I have a solar temple. Oh my god. This was one of my favorites too. Aside from the glow in the dark and stuff. I'm really grateful for all of them. Let's pop them all. The sun one is very cookie too. I love the egg the most. Not just because we live on it, because I really like the texture of the egg. But most of all, I also like the side. Because, you know, it does everything. Here it is. I love it so much. And you guys, thank you so much. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see my next video. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.